Sikkim in the northeast of the country has emerged as an epitome of cleanliness, setting an example for other states to follow. So much so, the Prime Minister had even felicitated Gangtok with the Cleanest Tourist Destination Award. This feat was earned with collaborated efforts of the citizens and the state government there. More in this report.
Take a look at the mesmerizing beauty of Sikkim, where not only the eyes but even your soul will be thrilled to witness the fresh and clean air here. It is this freshening environment of Sikkim that attracts thousands of tourists here, but the local population has to be applauded for preserving and protecting the beauty and the cleanliness here. The locals are well apprised of the fact that mankind need not fiddle with nature's blessed beauty. It is this thought of preserving and keeping the environment clean that has made Sikkim one of the cleanest states in the country. In fact, Sikkim has emerged as a model for other states to follow. Even schools in the region are toiling hard for this. This is not a toy shop or a museum. In fact, this is a government school in Tashiding in Sikkim, where students are travailing hard to recycle the waste. The adjoining areas of the school are symbolic of their efforts.
Under the Swachh Bharat mission, we have taken up lots of activities, like we have got one functional resource recovery van for the disposal of this resource which is produced in and around Tashiding area, and this will be taken up till the resource recovery center.
This school in Linchok too is setting example of cleanliness, where students know how to convert the shortcomings into opportunities. Not only the schools but even the common residents in the villages and districts in the state realize their responsibilities towards Mother Nature, and helped by the state government, they work hard towards maintaining the cleanliness. Kanchenjunga mountaineering region, frequented by tourists, is also kept clean owing to the efforts of the locals.
जी हम लोग यहाँ जितना पब्लिक है और टैक्सी ड्राइवर सब मिल करके साफ़ करते हैं, और गाड़ी में भी बैग रखा हुआ है, डस्टबिन दिया हुआ है पंचायत की तरफ से, इसमें और प्लास्टिक और दूसरा आइटम कूने वाला आइटम दोनों मिला के हम लोग उधर डस्टबिन में डालते हैं। ये डेली हम लोग का ऐसा हो गया कि रूटीन जैसा हो गया।
In a nutshell, every little effort made towards cleanliness is making Sikkim an example for other states to follow, which in turn has earned it the title of a model state. Bureau Report, DD News.